talking about drinking coffee before bed. Do you usually drink coffee before going to bed, or do you avoid it because it can affect your sleep quality?
I try to avoid drinking coffee before bed because I have noticed that it makes it much harder for me to fall asleep quickly.
That sounds reasonable, because coffee contains caffeine, which can keep your brain active even when your body feels tired.
Yes, and whenever I drink a cup of coffee late in the evening, I often stay awake longer than I expect.
I used to drink coffee after dinner, but I stopped because I realized it was affecting my sleeping habits.
How did you discover that coffee was causing problems with your sleep schedule?
I noticed that I spent a long time lying in bed without feeling sleepy, even after a busy day.
That is exactly what happens to me when I drink coffee too late in the day.
Some people seem able to drink coffee at night and still sleep well without any problems.
I know several people like that, and I am always surprised by how easily they fall asleep.
Everyone's body reacts differently to caffeine, so some people are more sensitive than others.
That makes sense, because even a small cup of coffee can keep me awake for hours.
Have you ever tried drinking decaffeinated coffee before bed instead of regular coffee?
Yes, I tried it once, and it did not seem to affect my sleep as much as regular coffee.
Decaffeinated coffee can be a good choice for people who enjoy the taste but want better sleep.
I agree, because I really enjoy the flavor and aroma of coffee in the evening.
What time do you usually stop drinking coffee during the day?
I usually avoid coffee after 4 o'clock in the afternoon to protect my sleep.
That sounds like a healthy habit because caffeine can remain in the body for several hours.
Exactly. And I learned that lesson after many nights of poor sleep.
Did you ever drink coffee late at night while studying for an important exam?
Yes, I often drank coffee while studying because I wanted to stay awake and focus longer.
Did it help you study more effectively?
It helped me stay awake, but sometimes I felt restless and could not concentrate very well.
That is interesting because too much caffeine can sometimes make people feel nervous or anxious.
I have experienced that feeling, especially when I drank more than 2 cups in one evening.
Besides coffee, do you drink other caffeinated beverages before bed?
Occasionally, I drink tea, but I try to choose herbal tea because it is usually caffeine-free.
Herbal tea is often recommended because it can help people relax before sleeping.
I enjoy drinking chamomile tea because it helps me feel calm and comfortable.
That sounds like a great bedtime routine for improving sleep quality.
What about you? Do you ever drink coffee before bedtime now?
Very rarely, and only if I need to stay awake for a special reason.
What happens when you drink coffee late at night these days?
I usually feel energetic for several hours and find it difficult to fall asleep.
That must be frustrating when you need to wake up early the next morning.
It definitely is, because a lack of sleep often makes me feel tired and less productive.
Sleep is so important for maintaining good physical and mental health.
I completely agree, because quality sleep helps us stay focused and energetic during the day.
Sometimes people underestimate how much caffeine can affect their sleep patterns.
That is true. Because many people drink coffee regularly and do not notice the effects immediately.
Do you think young people should learn more about the relationship between caffeine and sleep?
Yes, I think understanding healthy habits can help them make better choices in daily life.
I wish I had known more about caffeine when I was younger.
Why do you say that?
Because I often stayed awake very late and felt exhausted the next day at school.
Many students experience that problem, especially during stressful periods.
Stress and caffeine together can make it even harder to get enough rest.
That is why creating a relaxing bedtime routine is so important.
A good routine can help signal to the body that it is time to sleep.
Exactly. And avoiding coffee before bed can be an important part of that routine.
I have noticed that I sleep more deeply when I avoid caffeine in the evening.
That is a positive result and a good reason to continue the habit.
I think so too, because waking up refreshed makes the entire day more enjoyable.
Better sleep can improve mood, concentration, and overall well-being.
It seems that avoiding coffee before bed is a simple change with many benefits.
I agree. And it is a healthy habit that many people can easily adopt.
After this conversation, I feel even more motivated to avoid coffee late at night.
That is wonderful because small, healthy choices can lead to big improvements over time.
Thank you for sharing your experience and advice about drinking coffee before bed.
You are welcome, and I hope you continue enjoying restful and refreshing sleep every night.